Everyone, welcome back to Abranale channel. In this video, we're going to talk about house of quality cake making. Very delicious, right? You may feel it very palatable feel and all that, right? So cake making, and we're also going to learn Microsoft Sway, right? And this is just to introduce my Word document, which I have. This document do carry the information about cake making. For example, it talks about the introduction. Cake is one of the tradition food, and so on and so forth. And it also talks about material method, and it talks about the customer. I mean, the critical house of quality, the blueprint, the voice of customer, competitive assessment, how these two can be bridged and all that, and technical assessment, of course, and then followed by what is the critical to quality requirement, that is aroma, taste of a cake is important, taste of jam is important, texture of cake is important. On the other side, we also practicality of packaging. All these is very important. Result and discussions, and then this is some data set I have, data values, and some of the case studies being done, and followed by so the actual house of quality. Here the customer requirement, and here you have all the process requirement and how it has been mapped, how it has been correlated, and we can also see which is more critical and all that. And then conclusion. So this is the Word document I have, and I wanted to have in web version, right? And how I need to convert it, because in web it takes a lot of time. You have to copy paste and then do formatting, and it's very difficult, right? Let me give you a simple solution. We have an application called Microsoft Sway. Is wonderful application. And when you wanted to import the data from one app to another, I mean, whatever the Word or Excel or PPT when you have, you can directly import it there, and then you can just publish in any web page as such. So this comes. You can just go to Microsoft Store, and then from the Microsoft Store you can just download something called Sway, right? So you just type is okay, you can type SWAY, and since I have already have these applications, and it comes as a free when you have a Microsoft account. This particular application Sway comes as a free, right? So in this one I have already have this, the product is already installed, so I already have that. So what I will do, I will go to taskbar, and then I'll just type Sway. Okay, it's opening up. The application is opening up. You have three things. One called create new, where you can create any blank page. For example, you can just compose it, you can give it to your friends or colleagues. You can collaborate the content and all that. You start from a topic. Start by giving so a topic, you will create an outline for you automatically, right? For example, wanted to talk about the cat related foods, pictures and all that comes out. And then the one which I'm going to do now is called start from a document. A document can be Word, PowerPoint, or PDF. It can be anything. So from these three, you can do that. So the house of quality I have in the Word document, I'm going to import. Just take this house of quality, and it takes, since the document is extensive, it may take few seconds. And now almost it's done. Okay. Okay, so now you can see that house of quality, all these, it has given a proper structure. For example, in this details, it has given house of quality. Further, if you wanted to change and all that, for example, emphasize meaning, like you wanted to bold this one, you can do that, right? So all these you can do, and the keywords, and it has given properly. I'm just doing a sanity check. Yeah, everything is being pasted perfectly. Let me check that the picture also being pasted perfectly. Now I have two options: either to play, yeah, review, right? Either to play or share with the colleagues or friends and so on. So let me show you play button. Yeah. So house of quality, you have learn and cake making and learn Microsoft Sway, and this is the keyword. And you can see here introduction, how nicely it has come, material and method. And then you have the customer and customer voice and competitive voice. and then it is neatly, it has aligned that formatting. See that it is so beautiful. And though the word didn't have the proper alignment and all that, it has well aligned. And as you can see, the result and discussions, and then the table has been well formatted. And then you can see that the importance being given and all these relation, I mean the text again, once again the alignment is been properly auto aligned as such. And then the finally, this is what the important point is, right? The house of quality, you can see here, right? The what is the requirement and all that. And then this is the table and conclusions. You have an options here, navigate to different section. For example, it also gives a section, right? For example, if you want the introduction, you want to go to house, you can do that. Or you wanted to come back and go to the conclusions, you can do that. Or you wanted to find out a little bit more details like this one, you can still do that. So for example, this is the one. And also you have a two other options like share. You will be able to share with your colleagues, for example, let's say to view or to edit. You have many multiple options. You can share it in Facebook, LinkedIn, and you have a Twitter and all this. You can get the links and you can paste it. And anything you can do that. And you can also insert beautiful pictures also as well. Okay, so due to copyright issue, I'm not going to paste any of this one. It also suggests the some good formatting as such. For example, the end, if you want, it also suggests wonderful topic also as well. If you wanted to take it, you can take those things from this conclusion. You have to be careful because the some images may have a copyright, so you need to take it. So just let me play one more time. And this is the one you have. And also like you can also edit it also as well. For example, edit this way, you can share it, and you have a tiny this setting button. Change the setting for this way. For example, this is the default. If you wanted to have here scroll horizontal, you can do. Or if you wanted to optimize it for presentation, you can do. For example, let's say this is what you wanted to optimize, you can do that. Or this is one which we can use it. You can just control it, how you can do it, like how you do it in the PPT. Same way we can do this also as well. And similarly, you can, this is the most interesting part. Any section you wanted to go, you can just go and pick it up. Let me go to house of quality at the end. Yeah, so yes, so all these you will be able to do that. And this is wonderful. I'll be making much more videos on this. And until then, take very good care of yourself. Stay tuned for part 2 of Sway. Sway, once again, is an amazing, mind-boggling app. It makes your web work much easier and efficient. So let's learn another application in another video. Till then, take very good care.